I got this heater to help keep me and my students warm in the classroom, and oh my goodness, it was so good. This is worth the money. Get it, everybody. Get it, get it, get it. My space heater came, so it's warming up. I can feel it getting warm in here now. So I'm glad that it is here and working. So here it is. I'm sorry it has some stains because I work at a beauty suite, and obviously you can tell that I'm using this a lot. Anyway, it got hair color in some parts, and here you can see that it has a lot of lint. That's because we're always blow drying hair, and that's product and everything. But this little thing works really, really well. Let me show you. So here you can decide the level of heat. We usually have it at the highest, and it has fan level 1 and 2. We usually have it at 2 because it gets really cold. It is a small place. If you lift it or move it, it turns off right away. The moment you place it down, it starts working, and you can feel the heat. It's actually really good for the price, and hopefully, I don't know if I can open this up to clean it inside, but other than that, I think it's worth the buy. It works well for small places, so I would totally recommend it.